My name is Simons. I'm the test manager of the department Test and Quality at AFAS Software. AFAS Software is a Dutch company situated in Holland, and we make HR software but also financial software for our customers. Before Testsigma, we had an app on the Ionic framework. We eventually, because of the technical difficulties about the Ionic framework, we decided to go to the Flutter framework, and our app is based on that. And we were searching for a tool that could help us automate those apps. Time pressure is always the most difficult thing if you've got a life cycle from an app that's 6 weeks, so you have a lot less time to test and you want to automate more of your scenarios and scripts. Eventually you know that if you cannot release an app on time, you know that you have to change something in your process. And we looked at where can we accelerate. And we looked in test tooling, and we thought, well, if we can invest in that, I don't need more people to test the app, and I don't need more time to test the apps. The main reason was the flexibility. Of course, it is easy to use for every tester in my company, so that's prey. Compared to the other tools, it's not that technical, and it has ability to scale to other apps. The main reason why we think Testsigma was the best fit to automate most of the processes inside our app. Because Testsigma has also the ability to connect with our CI/CD pipeline and with other tools that we use for testing our app, because we need to test them on different devices, we could really scale up. And before that we were only using a web app for testing our apps, and Testsigma gave us the opportunity and the possibility to do that. I think the deployment of our app on our test platform and also the release to our customers and the stability, it's much more, it's better than before. If we look at our customer reviews, that we have an app that is very stable and it's very high in quality. A lot of users use it, more than 1 million users. And Testsigma is part of that success. If we look back, I think that we are able to scale up in features very fast, because the framework that we have at Testsigma provides us the tools to do that. They cannot release an app without us checking if the regression on Testsigma is okay. If we release our app, we know that the quality will be there, because every feature that's in the app will be tested by using Testsigma. If you want to start with automating an app or a web application, look into the flexibility and into the scalability of Testsigma, because that's where I think it makes the difference. I would give them the advice to give it a chance, because there are a lot of praise, a lot of things that helped us automate our apps, but also the ability to scale up, the ability to automate features very fast and very easily. Yeah, those are the things that can really have value for your company.
I'm Enrico, and I'm a test engineer, and I'm responsible for the quality of our app. Well, we are a software company. We're building administrative software for all the administrative tasks in companies. Our team is to provide quality for the customers before we deliver the software. Yeah, we were using different software. We were using Android emulators. So yeah, it was all a really slow process. Time is always a thing, it's always pressure. Emulator on a virtual machine is also very slow. Our app is getting bigger and bigger with functionalities. Testsigma is really easy to use. It's like plug and play. And I was testing it and I made a small test and it was running fine. And they had an import function where we could import our old test from the other software. So that was a really plus to choose for Testsigma. There are like 3.5 million users, but that's mainly because it's also a two-factor app. When the whole dashboard is green, then I know the quality is good enough, so I can deploy an app to the App Store. Well, the recorder is very easy. The reports of the test cases. Right now, every night there are running tests, and the next morning I know if I can deploy this app to the App Store or not. Yeah, we have everything in the cloud, with Testsigma Cloud also. It's really easy to record a new test and put it into the nightly schedule, and next to you to check the dashboard and if they're okay or not. If that bug has gone out to the customers, then we had a really big problem, and the customers too. So I was really happy that we found it using Testsigma and that we could fix this bug before the release. It gave me more confidence because I know that when my tests are running, that I know I have a good quality to provide for the customers. Maintenance is mainly needed because we changed something in our app, because our app is expanding a lot the last couple of years. And the app was not my primary task in the beginning, but now I'm fully focused on the app, so that has changed a lot. And now I'm almost every day I'm using Testsigma to make new tests and save time. Just try it, get a free license and just start automating, and then you'll see the value of it.